Welcome back to week 6. Updates and reminders as we get started this week. You guys know the drill. Firstly, most importantly, keep up the good work, you guys. There's only 4 weeks left of the school year. We are so close. Which leads me to what is left for English? What do you still have to do? You will be submitting 3 more one-pagers. So just like you've been doing for Habit 5, Habit 6, and Habit 7. You will also have a final, which I'm going to talk about shortly. I do want to make clear that the last day to submit any of the work that you have, that includes both the assignments we're working on now with the 7 habits or any past work that you're trying to complete to increase your grade. All work is due Wednesday, June 3rd. I will not accept anything after that date. And then the last day of school is Thursday, June 4th. Wait, what do you mean final? As I said, you're going to get more information about it next week. It will cover the 7 habits of highly effective teens. So for those of you that have been working through those one-pagers, you will be perfectly fine and ready to submit that final. It won't be difficult. It'll just kind of be a compilation of everything we've been doing. One more note or reminder about your grades. If you are not doing the 7 habits assignments, if you decided not to take part in those, you will see them as missing or as red in the grade book. I will not go back and excuse you from them. I will not mark them as 0. You will see those red assignments in the grade book. They will be adjusted at the very end of the semester to revert back to your quarter 3 grade. So you will see your grade drop. You will see your grade be lowered if you're not doing those assignments. But know that it will be fine at the end of the semester. Also, you are not getting any credit for makeup work unless you've done at least 60% of the current work. So if you have not done any of the 7 habits assignments, please do not email me asking if you can make up a test or if you can turn in an outstanding assignment, because the answer will be no. You would need to complete the 7 habits assignments first, and then you can go back and do any late work. If you have any questions about that, feel free to send me an email. I'm happy to clarify any questions that you may have. Check-ins and emails. Thank you for those of you that have been sending me emails. Thank you for those of you that have been checking in. It's fantastic to hear from you. One quick note, though, is that I do get nearly 50 emails a day, and sometimes it takes me a little while to get through them. So thank you for understanding and being patient. And I think most importantly, please do not wait until the last second to try to get a hold of me. I know some people are waiting until Sunday evening at 11:30 to ask for an extension. I am not checking my email at 11:30 on Sunday evening. So if you know that you're going to have a busy weekend, or if you know that you're behind on something, please email me as soon as possible, far ahead of time. Or if you have a question about the homework, because sometimes it does take me a day or 2 to get back to your emails. So please do be proactive about that. It will be helpful on my end, and I think helpful on your end as well. A quick note about the discussion board posts. Again, remember those are optional. Thank you for those of you who did it. It was great to read your thoughts. This week, there will only be 1 question posted. Last week, there was 2. This week, there will be only 1. My one request is that you make it a little bit more conversational, a little bit more like a conversation, so that you can actually respond to your classmates. So if you see something that somebody posted, a reply to their response will count as your check-in, and it will count as your credit. And that's about it, you guys. You are almost there. You're doing a great job. I'm so proud of all the work that you're putting into this. I miss you all immensely. Please stay safe and healthy. As always, if you have any questions or you need to touch base with me, I'm always here. Send me an email or sign up for office hours on Monday. You guys have totally got this. You've conquered so much already. And I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye, guys.